What does he do?
He is a teacher.
Akkam jirtu hordoftoota koo ani Yohaannis Saddeetii baga nagaan gara Viijinal Jenereeshin Tiyuubii fi chaalenjii shaakala afaan Ingilizii keenya guyyaa lammaffaatti baga nagaan dhuftanii har'a kan isiniif qabadhee jiru qophii addaa yookiin immoo mata duree addaa yaadattoo ta'e guyyaa kaleessaa maaltu hojjetamaa akka jiru yookiin immoo maal hojjechaa jirtaa akkasumas wanta hojjechaa jiran ijoolleen akka isaan nutti himuu danda'an shaakalsiisaa turree har'a immoo mata duree haaraa of ibsuu jedhu irratti yookiin immoo self introductionii bifa interviewtiin ijoollee kan shaakalsiisnu ta'a jechuudha. Har'as na bukkee kan jiru qabsoon na bulee jira. Kanaaf qabsoo wajjin interviewin godhaa. Qabsoon afaan Ingiliziitiin interviewin godhuun yoo seeraan naa deebisee yoo seeraan naa deebisuu baate immoo obsaan irra deddeebi'ee itti himuu qaba jechuudha. Kanaaf tiippiin jalqabaan isinitti himu yeroo ijoollee shaakalsiistan tarii ijoolleen dagachuu danda'u. Aariidhaa fi obsa dhabuun nu barbaachisu jechuudha. Obsa guddaa qabaannee ijoollee shaakalsiisuu akka qabnu asumaan isinii dhama. Directly we start our conversation with Qabso. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Visionary Generation Tube. And let's get started. Qabso,
Oh,
how are you?
I'm better than you.
I'm also fine. Are you good today?
Yes.
Wow. So today we will have conversation for our viewers and for kids watching through YouTube and TikTok. So I will ask you questions and you are going to answer my questions. Okay? Right. So let your voice be heard. You need to speak it loudly, okay?
Okay.
Nice. So I will interview you. I will ask you some questions and feel free and be confident. And if you can't answer the question, I will tell you how to answer it. Our target is to teach and to show parents and kids to practice English. All right? Good. Let's get started. What's your name?
My name is Kapsu Johannes.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Johannes Adde.
What does he do?
He is a teacher.
All right. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Yantu Daniel.
Okay. What does she do?
She is housewife.
Is she housewife? Is she a wife?
Yes.
Yeah, speaking. Okay. All right. Do you have a sister?
My sister's name is Weduan.
My question. Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have.
That is the answer. Yeah. When someone asks you for yes or no question, you need to answer yes or no. For example, I said, do you have a sister? And he said, my sister's name is Wedu. And he said, the answer was yes or no. Gaaffii an gaafadheeni gaaffii deebiinsaa eeyyee yookiin lakkiidha jechuudha. Kanallee gaafa shaakalsiisnu ijoolleen keenya akka isaan adda baafataniif there is intonation in English. Intonation kan jedhamu yookiin ol ka'iinsi sagalee fi gadi bu'iinsi sagalee jira. Amma gaafa gaaffii yes or no questionii gaafannu do you have a sister? Do you have a sister? Gaafan jedhu gaaffiin kun yes or no questionii ta'uusaa hin hubatamaa jechuudha. Kanaaf yes I have jedhee naa deebisuu kan qabu. My sister's name is Weedduu jedhee jira. So waan akkasiis gadi galeeffattanii akkasiin ijoollee shaakalsaa deemtan isin affeera jechuudha. So garuu gidduutti deebisee yes I have naan jedheera. So thank you for your trial. Take 5. All right. What's your sister's name?
Yes, I have.
My question. What's your sister's name?
My
Hmm.
name?
My question is what's your sister's name?
My sister's name
Hmm.
is
Okay.
Wedu Johannes.
All right. Good. How old are you, Wesley?
6 years old.
Are you 6? Very nice. Are you grade or KG student?
KG.
KG? Wow. Okay, in which KG?
KG 3.
KG 3. Wow. That means you are going to turn into grade 1 next year.
Yes.
Wow.
Everyone.
Okay, grade 1. All right. You are going to grade 1 in 2018. That's great. So, what the question that I want to ask you today is, do you know the name of your teachers? Do you know the name of your teachers?
Yes, Miss Masarat and David Dorto.
Wow. You now understand that when I ask you the question is or no, that is, do you know your teacher's name? You said yes. My teacher's name are Miss Masaranda. Wow, thank you very much. That means you have 2 teachers.
Yes.
Okay, where do you learn? What is your school name?
Olive Academy.
Olive Academy. All right, which branch?
Branch 2.
Nakamte branch too. Oh, that's great. So, what do you want to be in the future?
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay, can you say, I want to be a doctor?
I want to be a doctor.
Say, I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
Excellent. Really, today we have this kind of conversation, and you can practice your kids softly and calmly by telling them where they are making mistakes, and you need to correct them. Really, Kapso, I appreciate for your trial in the Take 5. You are an excellent boy, okay?
Okay.
So tomorrow we will have another lesson. Till that, you need to keep by subscribing, like, and share. Again, don't forget to touch the bell button. And really, I appreciate for watching till the end. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.